If you're looking for a quick and tasty appetizer, this stuffed mushrooms recipe is perfect for you. Soft mushrooms filled with a savory mixture. Let's show you how easy it is to make at home. Start by adding the minced pork to a mixing bowl. Then slice the spring onions and transfer them to the bowl. Peel and mince the garlic, then add it to the bowl. Now the seasoning: oyster sauce, soy sauce, and white pepper for extra flavor. Crack in an egg, then mix well until everything is combined. Once this is done, set the mixture aside for later. Now prepare the mushrooms by removing the stems. Then make a small score on the top. Now it's time to stuff the mushrooms. Take a tablespoon of the mixture and gently press it into each mushroom. Continue stuffing the mushrooms until all the filling is used. To make the sauce, add a stock cube and pour in hot water. Then give it a good stir until the stock cube is fully dissolved. Now add the soy sauce, mirin, and corn flour to the stock, then stir well to combine. Now heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Place the stuffed mushrooms in the pan and sear them with the meat side down for 5 minutes until lightly browned. Then carefully flip the mushrooms and continue cooking for another 2 minutes. Next, add the sauce to the pan, making sure it comes halfway up the mushrooms. Then cover the pan and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Use a spoon to baste the mushrooms with the sauce so they absorb all the flavor. It's ready to serve. Carefully transfer the mushrooms to a serving dish, drizzle the sauce over them, and finish with a garnish of fresh spring onions. Look at these beautiful stuffed mushrooms, tender, juicy, and packed with a delicious filling. The savory sauce coats them perfectly, making every bite rich and incredibly satisfying. Thank you for cooking along with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!